That's why we're up.
No.
Okay, go ahead, because I don't know why you two are in the garage at 2:30 in the morning for ginger ale. 2 people together for ginger ale.
We're always together. You do it, because I honestly don't have the...
Should we do this in front of him?
He's fine.
He's fine. He's gonna know one day anyway.
No.
Oh dear God, oh dear God. I can't even he can do it. Don't even tell me this. Because when did you take your minor out? When?
I didn't take it out. I'm still on it.
Oh! What are you two thinking? Is this for real?
Yes, it's not his fault, Mom.
No, it's mine. It's mine. Whose is it? Whose is
It's
it?
his.
Are you sure?
9 weeks.
Are you sure, Sonny?
I already
Sonny,
saw.
are you sure?
Mom,
We're hoping so.
I already.
Mom, did you?
Sonny, don't say we're hoping so.
Guys, why? Why?
There is
Why?
something wrong with both of
Why?
you, really, seriously.
What are you two thinking? We can't even take care of him.
Do it. Just do it. Just do it.
April Fool.
That's bad. So bad. That is not even
I got my ass up out of bed.
Oh my God. Oh my God. That's not even right.
We got you.
No, I just was ready to up and punch the both of them in the head.
Oh my God.
That's how.
That was so worth getting up early for.
That's what you got up for. You two are retarded. You two are, there's something right with wrong.
Was that not good? That was good. We got you good.
That's like
You got
wrong.
me right off the couch.
I noticed. You were pissed.
Yes,
That
I
was
know.
good.
I can't, like, I could not even deal with that. I could not.
No, really.
I could
Oh my
not.
God.
We have no idea what